to my channel. We are here tonight at the Las Vegas Fremont Street experience because it is nighttime. It's actually about midnight, but we are about to hop on the SlotZilla Zipline. This is something I got to try out a couple months ago, but we did it in the daytime. This time we're trying it at night and giving you a whole POV perspective of what it's like to fly 15 stories high straight across the Fremont Street experience. I'm so excited, and you know, I think night is definitely way more lit, especially with all of the cool lights and colors that come with Fremont Street. As you can see, we're about to head right up there. Just a moment. Wish us luck.
Any solo riders line?
Okay, we made it up 11 stories up the elevator to the top of the SlotZilla Zipline launching pad. I'm here with Haley. How do you feel? It looks a lot higher up here than on the ground.
I'm not super intimidated because I'm an avid zipline rider, but I'm a little nervous because it looks like it slopes down immediately.
Oh, it slopes down a lot. Final thoughts before we hop on?
I'm excited. This will be fun.
Get stuck.
Hopefully you throw up.
Go, go, go.
We are all harnessed up. We are getting ready for launch, and we are about to be zooming 5 city blocks down, and it's gonna be a very lit experience. Ah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Here we go! Let's go Vegas! Still going. Oh my god, we're halfway through. Woo! Ah! This is so fast. We're doing this. We're almost to the edge. Here we come in for a landing. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Ah! That landing is very rough. What a fun experience that was on the SlotZilla Zipline here at Fremont Street. I think it was so much more fun at night. Like, if you had to pick between daytime and nighttime, couldn't recommend nighttime enough. It was so much cooler, and I mean, like, to see all of these LED lights shining bright at 1 a.m. was definitely an experience.
It was super fun. It was quick. Just rattled my brain at the end a little bit. It was really fun.
It was a good hard landing, but it was so much fun. Definitely go check it out. You can head over to the SlotZilla website to pick up your tickets. That'll do it for us here on Fremont Street. We're gonna head back to our hotel, get some rest. But if you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe and bell button below, and I will see you next time in my next video.